That is a brute. There's the big old northern, 27 inch. Here, look at that, just ate it. Just gulped that rapala. Lose it. Got it. Ooh, it feels nice. It feels kind of nice. Got it. Ooh, that felt like some weight. Way in the back. I don't know if you see that, but there's a hook right there. All right, so this time out, we're on the backwaters of the Mississippi River using tip-ups for northern pike, and a snowstorm shows up, making it really crazy weather out there. The temperature is supposed to be above freezing. So as you can see, the location here, we're on like this channel where some water flow comes through, because there's like a little creek that comes from another like bigger channel of the Mississippi. It's not the main channel, just a backwater channel, but this water flow comes through, making it a little bit deeper, and we're sitting right on that deeper water where the current goes, and that's where we find all the northern pike. And we fished that throughout the whole morning, catching some really nice pike and having fun in a snowstorm. And there is a bunch of weeds with a lot of bluegills. That's why the northerns are in there. Good ambushing area because of all the weeds, and the prey is there, all them bluegills. All right, we are out on the backwaters of the Mississippi River looking for February, late February northerns. Tip up fishing. Might be a beautiful day, supposed to get up in the 40s. And then back this way, right there, a little bit of open water. It's like a little creek leaking in here from another channel that's closer to the main channel. Let's get set up and see if we can hook some nice northerns. Setting up in the shack with the underwater camera, and I look out the window, we got a flag. It was spinning when I was getting the stuff here. Stopped spinning now. Alright, she's spinning. She is spinning. She is mad right now. Give her some line. See if hopefully we don't lose it. Got it. Ooh, it feels nice. It feels kind of nice. Ooh. Got something now. Oh yeah, it's still there. It's still there. It's fine. It's fine. You gotta keep tension on this hook. You gotta remember that. Took a lot of line. A lot of line. Going the opposite way now. Ooh, 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 ooh. Big northern. Big northern. Big northern. Oh, there we go. Oh, first eater size one. Look at that. I was actually starting to think we weren't going to get nothing. Just had to wait. Gotta go get the pliers. Nice eater. Measure it, get back to you. That was a nice fight. Look how nice this one is. Like, it's a nice eater. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Other flags are still down. All right, got water all over the camera from the splashes. Look at where that hook is. Corner of the mouth, perfect. That's where you want a hook to be. Metal leader in case they swallow it. Nice eater, I believe. All right, measured it. 27 inches for a first northern. That's not a bad size at all. I'll take that. Now, hopefully get some more. Reset. Put this guy under some ice or something, because it will be getting warmer today. Yeah. There we go. One okay size northern, 27. Not bad. Really nice. You can see it's been eating well. It's really thick. Really nice northern. Let's get the fish, and we got all three set up again. A little bit of a cold breeze this morning. It's really ice cold when it hits you, but otherwise it's pretty nice out here. It's just that wind, a little bit of wind. We're in our shack. We get base camp set up. We're just waiting for the tip ups. So, all right. Right now, it is completely snowing, like pure out hard snowing. We had a tip up, it was running with it, and then it must have got in weeds again because the hook was covered in weeds, and we had no fish on, but it took a lot of line. But it is completely snowing outside. It's like a whiteout. It seems like a really slow bite for these northerns, but yeah, let's grind it away and see what happens in a snowstorm. Alright, it's spinning, it's taking it, taking it, taking it, taking it. God. God. Doesn't seem too big yet. Okay. Okay. Down at the bottom of the hole, fighting right now. Little guy. Another northern. This guy, I don't know, I'll measure him. Maybe he might be an eater. Oh yeah, good thing he was hooked somewhat. I'll measure him. I think he might be a keeper. I might keep him because of how the bite is. But another little eater. Not as nice as that first one in the morning. Just caught that one northern. It's over there. I got them more in the line now because this is like, right here is like the deepest. It's like 4 or 5 feet. And then on each side, sorry about the camera being blurry. It's probably because of the weather, the storm, the snow and everything. So it's just like a little current coming through here where it's deep. It's 5 or 4 feet right in this line here. And over on that side, and that side it shallows up to almost a foot. Just a little area. It's not big at all either. That's why I'm using a Vexlar to like mark out my holes. I'm gonna measure this fish and get back to you. He's 23 inches. Barely an eater for me, but I'll keep him with the other one just because of how the bite is. Plus, he's still an eater. Anything under maybe 22 I'd put back. Because they have a lot of bones to, for you to clean. And smaller ones, that's just a lot of trying to monkeying around with them bones. Usually for me anyway. I don't like them small ones cleaning them. Plus, they need to get bigger anyway. But that one's barely an eater. I'll keep that one to put with the other one. This is what I'm using here. Insulated tip up is, that's what they're supposed to be. They insulate to a little bit, but not much if it's really cold. But this is what I'm using, metal leader of course. And then I got 2 tiny little sinkers to hold that little blade on there. And that just flutters with the minnow when it moves around to create a little bit more of a flash. And then a big hook. Yeah, that's it. Just right above the bottom. I'm catching these northerns right off the bottom. We're almost out of minnows. We only have 2 left. It was fun doing tip-up fishing. Haven't done it really at all this year, so or found any really good bites. Well, I wasn't, like I said, I wasn't really doing it much or focusing on it much till now because it's February and March is coming. The northern are going to start moving around, starting to get ready for spawning and open water. So yeah, let's get back to fishing and see what happens. stopped. Still on there. I'm gonna give it some line. Alright. See here. God. Ooh, that felt like some weight. Feels like some weight. Not really doing much. It's there. Oh, there it goes. It's taking line. Ooh. This might be the big one. Last one. Okay. See if I can see it here. Oh, it's nice. It's really nice. I can't hold it. It took a bunch of line. Here we go. Big battle. The battle of the day. Last one right here. Just gotta catch it. Please, oh please let me catch this thing. Oh my God. Every time I get it to the hole, it just, no. And then it takes a bunch of line. It's battling, dude. It's big. It's big. It's big. And it's got, oh, here we go, dude. Look at this. This is what we came out here for. Look at that giant. There we go. That is your over 30 inchers. We only can have one of them on the Mississippi. One of them. Woo. And it's got someone else's hook in its mouth that I will happily take out of its mouth. So I got a free hook. Look at that giant. Look at that. Last one. Big boy. I don't know if it's going to beat my personal best. I hope so. We need to beat 34. It's big and plump, but I don't think it's long enough. All right, I just measured them. Okay. 32-inch northern. 32. All right, our biggest, nicest one. All right. Way in the back. I don't know if you see that, but there's a hook right there with a lot of teeth. All right, last northern. We're probably done. Woo! So I wonder if this is the northern we seen, because you just seen a clip of us on the underwater camera looking at a really nice northern. I think this was him because the shack is literally right there. And not even a little bit after that, he kind of moved away from the camera there where we couldn't see him. A little bit after, and this tip went up. That might be him. Anyway, we're done. We're leaving it on this guy. With this late ice coming around, like I said, these northerns are going to be cruising and moving and doing stuff, getting ready for spawning when the water starts melting or ice starts going away. So get out here, try to catch yourself some northerns before on some late ice. All right, we're out.